Everyone, today we will be discussing about parallel lines and transversals. But first, what are parallel lines and transversals? Let's start with parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that do not intersect each other. Meaning, just like this, as an example, see? These two lines do not intersect each other. No matter how long it goes, they will never ever intersect each other. The symbol for parallel lines are this right here. This is a symbol for parallel lines. Now let's move to transversal. Transversal lines. Transversal lines are lines that intersect parallel lines. As we learned about, parallel lines are lines that never intersect each other, just like this. But transversal line cuts these parallel lines, and this line right here is called the transversal line. Skew lines are two lines that do not intersect and they are not parallel. Now, as you can see in this cube, I have some examples of skew lines. So example, GF and 8C do not intersect and they are not parallel. Same goes for EF and AH, AB and CE, GE and DE. See? They do not intersect and they are not parallel. Now, parallel planes. Parallel planes are lines in a plane which do not meet. Now, parallel planes are kind of like parallel lines because these parallel planes will never meet each other. Just like this, these planes will never ever meet each other. No matter how far they go, they could go forever. They will never ever meet each other. Like, never. As simple as that. Now let's talk about interior angles. Interior angles lie in the regions between the line Q and R. Examples are angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. So it's basically inside the plane. So angle 4, angle 3, angle 5, and angle 6. These are inside the plane. The exterior angles lie in the two regions that are not between lines Q and R. Examples are line 1, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8. So they're basically outside of the plane because angle 1 is outside of the plane, angle 2 is outside the plane, angle 8 is outside the plane, and angle 7 is outside. Interior is inside the plane and exterior is outside of the plane. Consecutive interior angles. Consecutive interior angles are interior angles that lie on the same side of the transversal. So, the examples are angle 4 and angle 5. They're on the same transversal as you can see. And angle 3 and angle 6 are also on the same transversal. Pretty easy, right? So far. Now, alternate interior angles are non-adjacent interior angles that lie on the opposite sides of the transversal. But as we learned, consecutive interior angles are on the same side and they're interior, right? Same here. Alternate interior, so that means they're inside the plane but they're opposites. So examples are 3 and 5 and 4 and 6. As you can see, they're opposite from each other. Alternate exterior angles are non-adjacent exterior angles that lie on the opposite side of the transversal. They're the same as alternate interior angles, but they're in the exterior part. So that means they're exterior, but they lie on the opposite side of the transversal. Examples are angle 1 and angle 7, and angle 2 and angle 8. So basically, angle 1 and angle 7 are opposite from each other. and they're on the exterior part of a plane. Angle 2 and angle 8 are opposite from each other and they're exterior. So that's why they call it alternate exterior angles. Now we have the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles lie on the same side of the transversal and on the same side of the lines Q and R. Examples are angle 4 and 8, angle 1 and 5, angle 2 and 6, angle 3 and 7. So let's start with angle 4 and 8. As you can see by the examples, you can start to understand their meaning. So by just the examples, you can already understand the whole meaning. So you see over here, 4 and 8, they're corresponding. 1 and 5, they're also corresponding. 2 and 6 are corresponding, and 3 and 7 are also corresponding.
I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.